Welcome back. Today we're diving into an essential topic for anyone interested in economics or business capital as a factor of production. You see it everywhere, from the coffee shop on the corner with its espresso machines to massive factories churning out cars. It's all capital, and it's essential to creating goods and services. Now, you might be thinking, isn't capital just about money? Well, it's much broader than that. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about fixed capital. Think of these as the heavy hitters, the workhorses of the business world. These are assets that last a long time and don't transform during production. Imagine a car manufacturing plant with its assembly lines and robots. Those are fixed capital. Even a bakery's ovens and mixers are fixed capital. These assets are essential but depreciate over time. Businesses need to factor in depreciation when calculating profits and replacing equipment. Understanding fixed capital is crucial for any entrepreneur or investor. It represents a significant portion of a company's assets and plays a vital role in generating revenue. So the next time you're evaluating a business, take a close look at their fixed capital. Now, let's move on to working capital, the stuff that keeps the business running smoothly daily. This type of capital is constantly changing, flowing through the production process. Think of a clothing manufacturer needing fabric, zippers, and buttons. Those are raw materials. As materials transform into clothes, they become work in progress, another form of working capital. Finished clothes ready to ship represent the finished goods stage of working capital. Working capital also includes the cash needed to pay bills like rent, utilities, and wages. Managing working capital effectively is about finding the right balance. Too little, and you risk not meeting short-term obligations. Too much, and you tie up cash that could be invested elsewhere. Whether running a small business or analyzing a large corporation, pay close attention to their working capital management. It's crucial for financial health and operational efficiency. Chapter 3, Social Overhead, Capital, the Foundation of Society. Let's zoom out from individual businesses and talk about social overhead capital. This type of capital is owned by the public sector and benefits everyone. Think about roads, bridges, and public transportation, all essential for our economy. It also includes public schools, universities, hospitals, libraries, and parks. These institutions provide essential services that improve our quality of life. Building and maintaining social overhead capital is expensive but offers enormous returns. A well-educated workforce, a healthy population, and reliable infrastructure are essential for economic growth. So, the next time you drive on a smooth road or visit a public park, remember the value of social overhead capital. It's an investment in our collective future, creating a thriving society. Chapter 4, Money Capital, the fuel in the engine. Finally, let's talk about money capital, the lifeblood of any business. This is the cash a business needs to operate, pay bills, and invest in growth. Money capital can come from various sources like savings, loans, or investors. Having access to money capital is essential for businesses of all sizes. It allows them to purchase raw materials, pay employees, and grow operations. Managing money capital effectively is crucial for business success. It's about balancing spending and saving, investing for growth while covering expenses. Whether you're an entrepreneur seeking funding or an investor evaluating a business, pay close attention to the flow of money capital. It's the fuel that powers the engine of commerce. Outro: investing in your future, understanding capital. As we've seen, capital is crucial in the life of every business. Without it, nothing can be created. Whether it's fixed capital, working capital, social overhead capital, or money capital, understanding these forms is key to how businesses operate and thrive. Next time, we'll discuss how to finance a business, diving deeper into securing the money capital you need to launch your entrepreneurial dreams. Don't miss it. Let us know in the comments. Which type of capital do you think is the most important for a startup? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Remember to subscribe, like, and share this video.